Welcome to the American Public University System Senior Seminar. My name is Samantha Reyna, and today is July 15th, 2018. This is my critical review. The book I will be discussing is titled Countdown, Our Last Best Hope for a Future on Earth. This book was published on September 24th, 2013, and it is a continuation of Weisman's first environmental novel, The World Without Us. The author of this novel is Alan Weisman, born on March 24th, 1947. He attended the Northwestern University, where he obtained his bachelor's degree in literature and master's in journalism. He has always loved science. On his venture in writing this book, he visited 20 countries around the world. The questions that were asked in this novel were: how many people can our planet hold? Is it in our best interest to limit population growth? Which species are essential to our survival? How can we design a prosperous economy that doesn't depend on endless growth and consumption? This novel is split into 5 sections, each leading up to what the Earth is going through and what will happen if we continue life as it is. The first part explains overpopulation, as he visits countries like Jerusalem to express their lack of food, water, and even dirt, which is in a desert. He explains some of the world's most overcrowded regions, like the Philippines, Niger, and India, expressing how there are many fishermen but limited fish, many children but limited resources. In part 2, he goes to more depth of what the Earth can handle, as our resources are limited and the amount of humans is increasing at a much higher rate than it can support. Part 3 is about water, as pollution has become a major issue, as well as overfishing. Many countries depend on fish for food as well as a source of income. Overfishing is evident in many areas, leaving many families with no food or job. Part 4 finds a solution for overpopulation, as there are different options to control births. Safe sex is always a way to control fertility rate and control overpopulation. For part 5, he gives an explanation on how making changes will not only benefit the human race, but the environment we live in. This next image is in the book. It is a photograph by Roberta Miller. It shows many people on just one truck with many things. All these people cannot live with just limited resources and have to share. The objective included in this novel are overpopulation, pollution, fertility rate, and depletion of our resources. All these are important to the environment, as we need a sustained life for future generations. In conclusion, can Earth handle the 7 billion people already on it? Will it be able to sustain more, as there is an increasing amount? Changes are necessary for future generations, as there are 4 million people added to this world every day. These are my references. Thank you for listening, and I hope you have a great day.